Hello guys again. This is the big fire. I'm zooming in. Oh, it looks so hot. There's one over there that I don't know. I'm scared of. Hello guys! Hello guys! What the hell? Wow. Let me go more far in. What the? Can you hear that? Oh my gosh. This is like wildfire. The fire is there. It's burning. What are you scared of? Oh, what the hell? Oh my gosh. It's getting bigger and bigger. It's getting bigger though. What are you doing? My aunt is over there. It's not even Wednesday. It's Monday. It's Monday. And that is our camp right there. We upgraded a little bit. What the hell is getting more crazy? I went more far. So it's smaller now. This is the big fire. I went more back, that's why. There are the small fires and my fire is burning. My fire is here. Hello! What the hell? Okay, now let me show you more. What the hell? Okay. I'll show you the camp upside. First, I'll show you the fire again. What the hell? Say hi! You said you never want to be in the video. No, you have to be in the video. Hello. Let's put up the fire here. Now I'll go upside. Right now, the big fire. Oh my gosh. This is the second day I'm doing it. Now I'll show you the camp. Whew. Relaxing here. Make sure you subscribe.